Hi viewers and students. Today we are going to discuss some of the main important features of NoSQL databases. So our first question is, what is database? So we can say the database is a storehouse, and when we say storehouse means we have a store to keep something, a data. Like say if we want to keep something, an object or product at our home, that means we need a space for that. Like let's say we have a car and we want a parking in our house. So before buying the car, we must have a parking inside our house. That is called the space. So the same way, if we want to store the data of a user's data, it means, let's say we want to store a data of a user that we want to register him as a in some websites, like as you can say the example of Amazon, or you can take the example of Flipkart. Whenever you start buying any product from these websites, first you register yourself in that, and what they do, they store a data into somewhere at some place. So first thing is clear here. That means when you want to send a data, that means you have to store somewhere. Either it will be a MySQL, or it's Oracle, or something like MongoDB. So we have both SQL and NoSQL databases. And if I say what is the difference between these two, that means the MySQL or these type of databases, they are called the RDBMS. RDBMS stands for the relation-based database management system, and other than this, they are the NoSQL. That means we are not using relational things in that databases. So those data which cannot perform the relations in their table structure, they are called the NoSQL database, and those databases, they can perform the relations in their tables, are called the relation-based database management. Thank you viewers and students watching this video. Hope you are clear in this topic, and if you have any doubt in this topic, you can comment on this video, and we will try to answer this video in the next. Thank you.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.